Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install account syncing with Credit Karma Money. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Credit Karma Money app on your device. Log into your existing Credit Karma account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged in, tap on the Money option located in the bottom menu. Look for the account syncing feature on the screen and tap on it. You will see a prompt explaining the benefits of account syncing. Read through this information. Tap on the Get Started button to begin the syncing process. Select the type of bank account you want to sync, such as checking or savings. Enter your online banking credentials securely as prompted. Allow the app to access your transaction data as needed. Review the permissions and ensure you're comfortable with them. Tap on Authorize to continue with the syncing process. Wait for the app to establish a connection with your bank. Once the connection is established, you'll see a confirmation screen. Take a moment to explore the newly synced account data. You can now monitor your transactions and account balances directly within the app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section within the app for support. You're all set. Enjoy seamless financial tracking with Credit Karma Money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.